Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade Uggu full guide. Begin by combining flour, water, and a pinch of salt in a bowl, stirring until smooth and slightly elastic. Cover the bowl with a cloth and let the batter rest in a warm spot until bubbly and mildly sour, typically several hours. Keep the texture like thick pancake batter, adjusting water or flour as needed to reach the right consistency for cooking. Start by weighing flour and water to get a reliable batter consistency. Use a scale for best results. Mix in a spoonful of active starter or a pinch of yeast to encourage fermentation and cover the bowl with a breathable cloth. Leave the batter in a warm place, checking periodically until it develops bubbles and a lightly tangy aroma, which indicates it is ready to be portioned and cooked on a hot griddle or pan. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more simple recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make storing batter, dough, and leftovers so tidy and stress-free, and they pair nicely with batch cooking for the week. Look in the description for the exact product link and other deals, and thank you for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a non-stick pan to medium and use a light brush of oil if needed to prevent sticking. Spoon ladles of batter onto the pan, spreading slightly, and cook until bubbles form and the underside is golden. Then flip and finish the other side until cooked through. Transfer to a rack to keep crisp edges, then serve warm with butter, honey, or savory toppings. Enjoy the soft, slightly tangy texture that makes homemade Uggu so comforting and versatile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.